Big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends out there. Big up to you guys, man. Today I'm on the camp of under 20, Yes, the Black Satellite. If you remember, last week, Ghana was on the tournament, the Waffle Zone B tournament that taking place on Niger. And Ghana went there as defending champion. Unfortunately, it couldn't go into our plan. And I'm going to talk about two things here. What problem will cause us few years to come and the local players as well. So let's start from how Ghana just go out from the tournament. Um, our first game we took um, we play against Nigeria, and fortunately Ghana failed to beat Nigeria and we lost 2-0. And for me myself, I wasn't surprised that we lost against Nigeria. Why? Because when the draw came, like Ghana draw alongside Nigeria and Burkina Faso, I was saying that this is going to be tough. Why? Simply because Ghana, we beat Nigeria at the senior level to qualify from the World Cup. So it's going to be a lot of pressure on Ghana and Nigeria as well. But the coach was saying that, well, they know Nigeria very well and they're going to beat Nigeria. They are well prepared. And the captain also said that um, they are ready to beat Nigeria and even defend the cup. But for me per se, I was like, I don't think that is going to beat Nigeria, because beating Nigeria at the senior level, going to the under 20, they also want to do something to please their fans. They also want to do something so that at least their fans back home and their fans back in the stadium will also feel something a little bit better. So what happened? We lost 2-0, and we are all hoping, was hoping that Ghana we're gonna win against Burkina Faso, able to progress to the group. But fortunately, we lose 2-1, and Ghana is out. And a lot of people think that it's normal because Ghana qualified from the World Cup, so there are so many things we are not talking about. There are so many things the GFA are not paying attention, doing so many things. Basically, Ghana qualified from the World Cup, so a lot of people are just talking about the World Cup and the players that are ready to play for Ghana to switch nationality, and that is so many work have to be done, but we do not know if you. That is why I'm saying that it's going to cause a lot of problem to Ghana for some few years to come. Like Nigeria, when they perform well in the African Cup of Nations, they wasn't knowing that there is a problem till they lose against Ghana. They realize that they have a big problem. So that is what is going to happen to Ghana as well. Because we qualify from the World Cup, we think that is all. That is no work have to be done. So under 20 loss, imagine defending champion went to Zombi, the Waffle Zombi tournament, without winning a single game. These two matches they played, they lost all, not even draw. Not even draw. So if you notice, all the time that Ghana Black Stars is doing well, it start from the junior team, the junior side. If you check 2010 when we went to African Cup of Nations in Angola, most of the players was coming from the under 20 side and the 17 side, joining the Black Stars in Angola. And all of the DRU and Apoko Jumai, like a lot of under 20 players, and we managed to go for finals, losing against Egypt. If you check 2010 World Cup, most of we have under 20 players like Derea Yu and Sam Linkum and Dominic Adia. A lot of them was involved in the Black Stars 2010 World Cup, and we all saw what happened. So anytime the under 20 is down, Black Stars always go down. So that is why I'm saying that this under 20 that failed to win these two matches, it could cause us a problem for 2, 3 years or 5 years to come, because all the players that we are so excited now talking about, the players that are coming in for the World Cup, like of Nyaki William, Carlson Odoe, Tarek Lamte, you see the media, everybody are posting video every day, different video about these new players that coming in. But we forget to talk about the under 20. What do we have to do so that the under 20 will stand? Because the under 20 is the Black Stars. So if the under 20 doesn't go well for the under 20, it's going to be a big problem for Black Stars for some few years to come. So the GFA have to wake up and work and always focus about the junior side. Those days when Ghana was performing winning cup and all that was from the coast. The coast teams and the under 17, the under 20. So the moment the under 20 and the under 17 all follow up, that is where Black Stars now having big problem. So it's something that very, very worry, and a lot of people do not know because we are all focusing about Ghana World Cup and players is coming in from here and there, and we are not talking about this under 20 and under 17. Meaning under 20 World Cup, Ghana will not be there. You see, so it's something that we need to pay attention. If not that, guys, I'm telling you, man, um, after the World Cup, we will still have a lot of problem. You know, like I said earlier on, like Nigeria, when they perform the African Cup of Nations from the group stage, they was thinking that there is no problem. All the team is doing pretty well and all that. Till they lose against Ghana and they realize that they have a big problem. They have so many work to do. That is what's going to happen in Ghana as well if you don't take time, because we feel like now Ghana qualify from the World Cup and everybody focus on the World Cup and the players that are coming in, and we forget to address some certain things. That is why Ghana failed to beat Nigeria and Burkina Faso. And here I'm going to talk about the local player. We always say that only the local players cannot perform, but a lot of people always think that maybe we do not really want the local players to get chance. No, Nigeria went to this under 20 tournament. They call a lot of foreign-based players to join their local players for this under 20. But Ghana failed to do that. We believe that we have so many players. We always believe that we have so many players in Ghana. Yes, we have so many players in Ghana, but are they good enough? Their mentalities are really good enough. So we didn't call any foreign player. We have so many under 20, like a player like Fatawa Isako can even join, and Felix Afanyajan, and a lot of them. They failed to call some of the foreign based players to join the local players, and they took only the local players, went to the tournament, and they don't even get a draw. They didn't even get a 1 point. That is why we always say, not that we do not want the local based players, but sometimes some of them are not good enough. There's a great young talent there in Ghana, but sometimes we need to have a mix. If like we was having foreign based players like 2, 3 adding to these local based players, like definitely we're gonna win against Burkina Faso or Nigeria. If you check Burkina Faso, their team, they also call some foreign based players that play in France and Belgium and all that. So guys, what do you think? Um, for me, I always believe that yes, our local league, the only way we can get a good players from our local league to present Ghana under 20 and the senior national team, the league have to be better. The pitches have to be better. Sometimes when you see the pitches that, sometimes when you watch TV and you see our like teams are playing, like first division team are playing for some of the pitches, you ask yourself that, so all this is like, come on, man. Come on, man. And now Ghana qualify on the World Cup. We're going to get a huge amount of money. The end of the day, you don't know what they're going to put this, you don't know where they're going to put this money. We are all praying and hoping that Ghana have to do well at the World Cup so that we get money and do a lot of things. But when the money comes, sometimes you don't know what the leaders will use the money and do, and look at the pitches. That is why our local players are not performing. If a player was able to do better when the pitches are good. So guys, I was so very disappointed about this under 20. Honestly speaking, not winning a single game as a defending champion. So guys, what do you think? For me personally, I believe that if Ghana Black Stars will always perform well, we have to look at the under 20 and the under 17. If the under 17 doing well, that is where, if you look at here, I always talk about here. If you look at here, they cannot guess. We are always casing some players that, when players from under 17, they make sure that they go to under 20. When they're from the under 20, they make sure that they go to under 23. So from the under 23, they will look player that really deserve to be in the senior team. But Ghana, it is always about this is my player. Try to fix him there. Someone will be coming somewhere, putting player, and you can see clearly that this player is not performing. But because of they have so many people around in the big man side, so always put him there. That is our main problem. So guys, it's something that a lot of people do not really pay attention about this under 20, but it's something that really disturbs me a lot. And I think I need to come out. It's not always about the players that come in to play for Ghana, players that come in to choose nationality and all that. We need to also ask ourselves that all these players we are talking about, lack of Nyaki William, Carlson Hodder, Adin Katia, Tariq Lamte, all these players, if like Ghana didn't qualify from the World Cup, do you believe that like we will get some of these players talking about to choose nationality play for Ghana? So sometimes I'm not saying that these players we shouldn't call them, but sometimes we should also focus the players back home, and also the pitches are killing our football. It is not about um, 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 you know the players, but the pitches is not good enough. That is our main problem. That is the biggest problem that the Ghana football is always like going down. Personally, now that we qualify from the World Cup, a lot of people forget about the problem that we have. We are always focused talking about black stars and players that switching nationality to play for Ghana, but a lot of work have to be done in Ghana. So it's the media, it's responsibility for the media to put pressure on the GFA to look up some certain things. So guys, that is something that I have for you today. What do you think? What do you think about the under 20 failing for the Waffle Zone B tournament and the local players? What do you